Feeling weighed down by negative energy or drained after being around certain people? Let's fix that with a powerful smudging ritual to protect your energy and restore your personal space. Welcome to Mystic Cat. Today, I'll guide you through a simple, effective smudging ritual to shield your energy from negativity and create a protective space around you. You won't want to miss this if you're looking to feel lighter, more empowered, and fully in control of your energy. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need a few key ingredients for a strong smudging ritual. I recommend white sage for deep cleansing, palo santo to lift and purify energy, or lavender for extra peace and calmness. Drop a comment below if you already have a favorite smudging herb. I'd love to know. Next, set a clear intention for this ritual. Intentions add power to your ritual. You can keep it simple, like, I release all negativity from my space, or something more personal. Imagine the smoke sweeping away anything that's not serving you. Now, let's start smudging to protect your energy. Light the herbs. Carefully light your smudge stick or loose herbs, let it burn briefly, then blow it out until you see a gentle smoke. This smoke is what will cleanse and protect your space. Smudge yourself first. Start with yourself. Move the smoke around your body, from head to toe, creating a protective shield. Imagine yourself surrounded by a white light as the smoke wraps around you. Cleanse your space. Now, take the smoke around your room or home, especially in the corners where negative energy can hide. Visualize this smoke filling your space with positive, uplifting energy. You can even say a protective affirmation if it feels right. Once you've covered the space, take a moment to ground yourself. Thank the herbs and any guiding energy for their protection. Gently put out your smudge stick in a fireproof bowl, letting the ashes cool. Repeat this whenever you feel any heavy energy or just need a refresh. And there you have it. A quick, powerful smudging ritual to shield your energy. I hope you try this and let me know how it works for you in the comments. If you enjoyed this ritual or want more protective practices, hit like, subscribe to Mystic Cat, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. And, of course, share your experience in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and any questions you have about protection rituals.